Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to Slack. Want to make your message more fun or expressive? GIFs are a great way to react, celebrate, or just make someone smile. And Slack makes it super easy using Giphy. Now in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add and use GIFs in Slack in seconds. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to visit the Slack app directory. And to do that, just go to your web browser and then type in the search bar slack.com/apps. As you can see, this is the page right here. This is the website that should appear. The second step is to click Add to Slack. Now look for Giphy. Just type in Giphy right here in the search bar and select it. Now after that, click the Add to Slack button and confirm permissions by clicking Allow. As you can see here, just click on the Add to Slack. The third step is to use Giphy in Slack message. Now in any message box, type /Giphy. For example, /Giphy excited, and a random GIF will pop up. You can click shuffle if you want a different one, then send. You can also know that workspace admins can limit Giphy ratings, for example G or PG. You can also disable Giphy per user or per channel. And now your Slack messages have more personality, from funny reaction to expressive responses. Adding GIFs with Giphy keeps communication light and fun. Remember, use GIFs wisely. They're great for engagement, but avoid overuse in professional settings. And that was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.